So, okay. So we started with regular expressions, right? So I said, what is a regular expression is? So regular expression is a special string that will define the search pattern, right? What is a regular expression is? Okay, regular expression is a special string which defines what is that search pattern. Regular expression is a special string, and the special string will define what your search pattern. It will define the search pattern. Okay. So regular expression is used. Regular expression is used to search a pattern within string. If you want to search a pattern within the string, what you're doing is you're trying to use regular expressions. If you want to search the pattern within the string, regular expression is used to search a pattern within string. Okay, if you want to search the pattern within the string, you are using regular expression. So regular expression provides some So what is the need of regular expression? Now you are using a regular expression for searching a string, search and match. It is also used for finding a string, or it is used for splitting a string or replacing the part of the string. So where exactly regular expression is used is like data validations, data scraping or web scraping, data wrangling, parsing, syntax highlighting system, and NLP. Like all this data validations means like input data is valid or not, like username validations, password validations, mobile number validations, email validations, right? So all these validations, even you can do it by using regular expression. To work with the regular expression, Python provides a module called which one? RE. And this module comes with the Python software. Regular expression is a string which defines the search pattern. Okay. This pattern is a collection of alphabets, digits, and special characters. And using all this will define one special pattern. Then how you define the regular expression? I said regular expression is a special string. Then the string is prefixed with what here? R. You can create a regular expression or you can define regular expression in two ways. One is R pattern Second one is re dot compile. So this will return a pattern object. So this a pattern object is reusable, but this is not reusable. This is what here reusable. Okay. So I'm taking from previous class rather than typing again. Okay. So there are some functions here. So regular expression provides some functions. So what are the functions it provides is like re dot match. So match it followed by a pattern and it followed by string and it followed by which one flags. So regular expression is a special string that will define patterns. I think you learn this in operating systems also, like when you're working with Unix, Linux. Okay, you learn this regular expressions. Unix, Linux, you learn this regular expressions. Suppose if I'm writing DAR, suppose if you're working with a DOS or another operating systems, yeah, we'll see. We'll see in PyCharm. Yeah, we'll see in PyCharm now. We'll see regular expressions in from this chapter onwards. We'll see in PyCharm. So dir, for example, if I'm saying dir s star means actually dir. Suppose if you are working with operating system, if I say dir, it will list all the files. But if I want only specific files, what will I do? I'll say dir s star. S star means star is one special character or not. Yes. If I say dir s star, this will list all the files. Dir s star means it will list all the files. Whose file name starts with what here? S. Okay, now this is what one pattern, right? You are searching one pattern within the files. This is related with OS. Okay, dir s star means it will list all the files whose file name starts with the S. In the same way, if I say dir dot star s means list all the files whose file name is end with S. So what is this here? It is a pattern. This will define what here such a pattern. Now the same kind of things you can do in what regular expression. So regular expression will define one pattern. And this pattern you'll be searching within the string. You define one pattern and this pattern you'll be searching within the string. And you are creating a pattern in two ways. One is you define a pattern directly by prefixing with the R, or you can define the pattern by using what? Compile. re.compile and followed by what here? Pattern. So this will provide reusability. What this will provide here? Reusability. Okay. So here, so how to install PyCharm? Just to see here, because we'll see in PyCharm now. Already my system is having PyCharm. I'll try to uninstall that PyCharm. and install again. Okay. So I try to uninstall PyCharm Community Edition. I try to uninstall. And then I'll try to install it. Okay, right? So what you can do is you can download PyCharm. Yeah, you can download PyCharm from, okay, PyCharm. So just search for PyCharm download. Okay. So if you click on this PyCharm download, right, you find the two things here, professional, and one more is what? Community. Two versions are there. One is professional and one more is what? Community. But communities are free. Professional also free, but for some time. Professional also free for some time, and most of the times you use a professional for developing web applications in Python, like Django. Okay, that kind of applications you can develop it by using what? PyCharm. So there is one more which is called as a community. Now you can download it. So just click on which one here? Download. So click on download. So I'm trying to download community edition. So here it is downloading. So this is community edition. Okay. Okay. So once downloading is done here, Okay, just click on this. So run this here. So here, now you don't require to do anything. Okay, now just click on just click on next and install. Okay, right? So this is how you are trying to do it. Now PyCharm is installed, but I have not created any shortcut on the desktop. Okay, so you can search for PyCharm here. Yeah, PyCharm Community Edition. Okay, just you can open this. So okay, open this here. So once you open this, now it will ask some welcome to PyCharm. And here, if you want to create a new project, now you can change the appearance. Just go to the customize. Just taken this and just go to the project and select the new project. So project is a collection of modules. Module is nothing but every Python program is called as one module. Okay. Now you want to develop this project using which version of Python? Now I'm using which version of Python? Python 3.9. If you click on this, even I'll get Python 3.10. So which version of Python you want to use to develop this project? So I want to develop it using Python 3.9. Okay. So this is setting up the environment so that when you move your project from one place to another place, you can also move it along with what environment. Okay, so I'm not creating a welcome script. So just nothing here. You have to do only thing. Now you have to define the location of the project. So project is a collection of modules. Project is what here? Collection of modules. So each module is called one Python program. Now just click on create. Now it will try to set up the things. Okay, right. Then once this is created, yeah, it is sitting up here. Okay. So new Python file, select the project and select the new Python file. So enter the file name. So RE, summary test one. Oh, so this is a Python program. We'll try to change the font size here. Okay, so here, so you can import like import RE. Okay, import RE module. So then I'm writing a function main. So here I'm trying to match. Now there is one function called RE dot match. It followed by pattern and string. Pattern and what is that? String. So first I'm taking a simple example. First I'm taking a simple example saying RE dot match. So here I'm trying to define the pattern. What I'm defining here? Pattern. Pattern I'm defining it. RE dot match. So what I'm defining here? Pattern. I'm defining the pattern here. RE dot match the pattern. So I want to search for the pattern called PY. So where I want to search for the pattern PY, I want to search for the pattern PY inside Python. So inside Python, PY is there or not there? There. If it is there, it will return match object. If it is there, it will return the match object. Now you can run this. Just go to run and select run. So which module or which program you want to run, select it. Now you can see it is written which object? Match object. Message if this pattern is exist or not there, exists. For example, m equal to re dot. See here, I'm not using any special characters, but you can use even special characters for creating a pattern. So comma, I'm just writing here Jaitan. Comma, I'm just writing what here? Jaitan. And after that, I'm trying to print objects. So is it Python is there? Py is there in Jaitan? Oh. Okay, is it py is there in Python? No. So what it is written here? None. So match will return. Now see here. If 0 or more characters at the beginning of the string, if 0 or more characters at the beginning of the string match regular expression pattern, if 0 or more characters at the beginning of the string match the regular expression pattern, it will return a corresponding match object. What it will return? It will return the match object. It will return none if the string does not match the pattern. It will return what? None if there is no pattern available. But where it is searching for this particular pattern at the beginning of the string, where it is searching only at the beginning of the string. And this is case sensitive. For example, m equal to re dot match. So you are looking for the pattern called py inside which one? Python. You are looking for py inside what here? Python. So but you are searching for which case? Lowercase. But this string is begin with what here? Uppercase. Okay, just click on run and run the program. Okay, now what it is written here? None. But if you want to match by defining some rules and regulations, then you can define what here? Flags. What you can define here? Flag. Flags you can define it. So what you can define is a flags. Okay, flag will define set of rules and regulations. So match equal re dot match, you are trying to define the pattern. So what is the pattern here? Py. Now I want case sensitive match, case insensitive match, whether it is uppercase, whether it is uppercase or whether it is what? Lowercase. Whether it is uppercase or whether it is what? Lowercase. Now I'm trying to use a flag. So what is a flag? Flag equal to re dot. I'm just writing here ignore case. So what I'm saying is ignore case. Now this flags will define set of rules and regulations. It will search by ignoring the case. Either it is in uppercase, either it is in uppercase, either it is in what? Lowercase. Either it is in uppercase, either it is in what? Lowercase. Now, is it written the match object or not? Yes. So here the flag defines a set of rules and regulations. But match will find only at the beginning of the string. Match will find only at the beginning of the string. Match will find only at the beginning of the string. But I said you can also define the pattern. I said you can also define the pattern. You can create a pattern. So pattern equal to re.compile. So here I create a pattern. So what is my pattern here? Py. And this pattern, I can say m equal to pattern dot. So this is a pattern dot match. Now this pattern is reusable now. You can write directly the pattern and string, or you can create a pattern and you can match that pattern with multiple strings. You can match that pattern with what? Multiple strings. You can match that pattern with what here? Multiple strings. You can match that pattern with multiple strings. So what is my string here? Python language. Okay, suppose this is M1, M2 equal to pattern dot match, pattern dot match. So Java language. So it means now you are searching for this pattern. You are matching this pattern within Python language. The same pattern you are matching with what? Java language. But in the first approach, I have to write this pattern again and again. If I match this Python, py in Python, I have to say match py in Python. If I want to find the py in Jython, again I'm saying match py in what? Jython. So same pattern, you are matching with how many strings? 2 strings. But here you have to write again and again. But instead of writing it again and again, you are compiling it. Means you are creating this pattern. You are creating this pattern how many times? One time. Rather than creating it again and again, you are writing this pattern how many times? One time. And pattern dot match what you are saying Python language. Now it will search for the pattern called Python language within. Okay, it will search for this py inside which language? Python language. Now, is it this string is begin with a py or not? Yes. Same pattern you are matching with what? Java language. But are you define the pattern and again? No. So if I say, now this will provide reusability. So print M1 and print what is that? M2. But this will find only at the beginning. Okay, this will find only at the beginning. So first one is written, but second one is written what here? None. So because is it that pattern is exist or not exist? Not exist. Okay, right? So these are different ways of creating the patterns. You can define the pattern directly prefixing with what here? R. You create the pattern directly by prefixing with what? R. Okay. Directly by prefixing with the R, or you can do it. So this is output of your code here. So there is a re dot match. There is re dot match. So this is what I said, ignore case. So your flag defines flag. What flag defines some set of rules and regulations. So flag value defines set of rules and regulations for searching patterns. Set of rules and regulations for searching what here patterns. Now that is defined by which character, which value? Flag value. So there is one more functions here. Just try to understand these functions first. So match will find where at the beginning of the string. But I want to search for this pattern anywhere. I want to search for this pattern anywhere. I want to search for the pattern. I want to search for the pattern anywhere. Then I'm using re dot search. I'm using what here? Re dot search. So there is a function called re dot search. Now this will search anywhere. Okay, so search will search anywhere this particular pattern within the string, right? But match will find only at the beginning. Match will find only at the beginning. See, I'm taking plain text. What I'm searching only plain text, but we'll see how to create pattern. Patterns are created by using some special characters. Like suppose if I write py star. So py star means star is what your special character, and that is having some special meaning, right? Okay, special meaning. Like if I say py question mark, this is having some special meaning. If I'm saying py plus, this is having special meaning. If I'm using cap, py plus, now this is having some special meanings. We'll see that. This what is cap, what is plus, what is question mark, what is star, what is, all these are special characters which creates the one patterns, right? We'll see that. But match will find only at the beginning of the string. Match will find only at the beginning of the string, but search looking for the first location where the regular expression pattern produces a match and return a corresponding match object. If it is not found, then it returns what? None. So return none if no position in the string matches the pattern. Return none return none if no position in the string matches the pattern. No position in the string matches the pattern. Okay, now I'm writing another file. So this is another program. So this also written the match object. So re dot search. You are searching for a pattern. So again, I'm searching for the pattern called Python. So there is a string which contains Java, Oracle, Python, some .NET, Python. Now this is a pattern. I'm searching for which pattern? Python within the string. I'm searching for which pattern? Python within the string. But this pattern Python is exist in string how many times? Two times, right? But it will return which location? First location. It will return which location? First location. It will return first location. Returns the first location. Now you can see it will return the match object which contain the span. Okay. It will return the match object which contain what? Span. Span is nothing but uh, what is that? Is a tuple which contain the starting index as well as what? Ending index. It will return match object which is having span, and the span will return a tuple contain the starting index as well as what? Ending index, where it is found. Okay, this is a starting index and ending. And if you want to return the match pattern, you can use group here. So that will return which pattern is matched. So which pattern is matched here? Python. Which pattern is matched here? Python. The pattern which is matched is which one? Python. Okay. So m equal to re dot search. You are searching for which pattern here? Python within the string. Now Python is there within the string. Yes. But it will return only first location. Even though if it is multiple locations, it returns only first location where it is found. Where it is found. Right? If it is not there, then it will return none. If it is not there, it will return what? None. Now, if you want to find all the locations, if you want to find all the locations, then you are using re dot find all. If you want to find in all the locations, you are trying to use re dot find all. Find all, return all non-overlapping matches. A pattern in a string as a list of strings or what? Tuples. So return all non-overlapping. Return all non-overlapping matches or pattern. So as a list of strings or tuples, the string is a okay. So Return non-overlapping matches of pattern in a string as a list of strings or tuples. The string is scanned from left to right and matches are written in the order found. Matches are written in the order found. The matches are written in the order found, right? For example, now if you see this, okay, so all patterns it will return. Not one, all searchings it returns. Okay, all searchings it returns. Okay, now once I run this, now Java, Python, Oracle, Python, C++, and what? Python. Now this is my string. Inside this string, I want to search for the pattern called which one? Python. So how many times this Python is there here? 3 times. 1, 2, and 3 times. Will it find all the patterns or not? Yes. And written as one list. It will find all the patterns and written as one list. So now you have to find what is the difference between match, search, find all. So match will find only at the beginning of the string and search will find anywhere within the string, but it will return only first location. Anywhere, but it will return only the first location. Then find all is there. It will find all patterns. Okay. Now we'll try to create a patterns by using some special characters. I said to create a pattern, you are trying to use some special characters. For creating a patterns, you are trying to use some special characters, right? You are using some special characters. Now, what are the special characters is? The first special character is dot. Yeah. Now let us see. Within the pattern, you are using some special. For creating a pattern, you are using some special characters. And there is one special character. And what is the special character here? Dot. So dot in the default mode, this matches any character. This matches any character except a new line. Dot means what? Any character. What do you mean by dot? Dot means any character, but except what? New line. But if you are using a flag called dot all, it will specify even match, including which character? New line character. But if I write only one dot indicates how many characters? One character. Dot means any character. P means P, A means A, B means B. Dot means any character. Dot means what? Any character, but except what here? New line. It will find any character, but except what here? New line. That is what you mean by dot. Now this is very much useful. Any character, but except a new line. Any character, but except what here? New line character. For example, if you see this example here, so I take from previous class. If you see this example here, now there is a string one. There is a string one where you have a C, C sharp, J sharp, PY, JY, XY, PY, JY. Okay, this is a complete what here? String. Okay, C, C sharp, J sharp, PY, JY, XY, PY, JY. This is a complete string. I want to search the pattern called dot Y. Dot Y means what is my pattern here? Dot Y. Dot means what? Any character followed by Y. I want to search for any character followed by the Y. I want to search for the pattern where any character followed by the Y. So is it C followed by Y here? No. Is it this C is followed by Y here? No. Is it J is followed by Y here? No. But is it P is followed by Y? Yes. J is followed by Y here? Yes. X is followed by Y here? Yes. P is followed by Y here? Yes. J is followed by Y here? Yes. Because you are searching the pattern by ignoring what here? Case. You are searching the pattern by ignoring the case. Okay. Then after that, you are printing what here? List. So there is a str2. str2 equal to what here? Programming. str2 equal to what here? Programming. Now re dot find all. What I said here? Dot dot. Dot dot means one dot indicates one character. Two dots indicates two character. Any two characters. Now PR is one pattern. PR is one pattern or not? Yes. So it means dot dot, is it dot dot match with the PR or not? Yes, because I'm searching for a pattern having how many characters? Two characters. So PR is one pattern. Okay. RO is one pattern and OG is one pattern and GR is one pattern. Within this, two characters it will read. Two characters it will read. Now, if I'm saying re dot find all dot means one character. Now, is it one character is there in the string or not? Yes, P is one character. R is one character. O is one character. G is one character. R is one character. A is one character. M is one character. All these are. It will try to find one character. Now, P is one character. R is one character. O is one character. G is one character. R is one character. A is one character, like that. Dot Y means any character followed by Y. Only dot means you are searching for the pattern having how many characters? Two characters. Now, within programming, PR is a two characters and RO is a two characters. OG is a two characters, two characters. Okay, now. So find all dot means one character. Is it P is one character found or not? Yes. Okay, R is one character found or not? Yes. Suppose if I'm saying PROG backslash N language, but dot doesn't find which one? Backslash N. It will find all the characters, but except what? It will find all the characters, but except what? New line. Okay, dot will find all the characters, but except what here? New line. Except a new line. It will find all the characters, but except the new line. Is it P is find or not? Yes. Is it R is find or not? Yes. O is find or not? Yes. G is find or not? Yes. But what is the next one? Backslash N. But dot will find backslash N? No. So LANG. Is it find or not? Yes. It will return. Yeah, except a new line, it finds anything. Except a new line, it finds what? All the character. But if I write it dot all, if I use a flag called dot all, if I use a flag dot all, even it will find which character? New line also. If I use re dot all, it will find with new line character also. It will find with what here? New line character also in dot all. So dot all in dot all is a flag. I said, flag defines, I said, flag defines some set of rules and regulations. Okay, right? So that is dot all. It will find all the characters and accept the new line characters also. Now, once you run this, now you can see py, jy, xy. Py is in capital and jy is in capital. Pr, og, ra, and in. Two characters extracted. One character is extracted. But new line is extracted here. No. But here new line is extracted or not? Yes. Is a new line is extracted or not? Yes. So that is a dot. So these are some special characters here. So there is a dot and there is a cap. There is a dot and there is one more special character. And what is the special character is cap, caret symbol. Dot means any character. What is dot indicates here? Any character. So there is a caret symbol. Now this caret symbol matches the starting of the string. This caret symbol matches the start of the string, and in multi-line mode also matches immediately after each new line. Matches the starting of the string, and in multi-line mode also matches immediately after each new line. Matches immediately after each new line. For that, you are using this symbol here, caret symbol. Matches the starting of the string, and in multi-line mode also matches immediately after each new line. After each new line, right? For that, you are using this symbol here, cap. For example, I want to find all the names. For example, I want to find all the names. The names which starts with. Okay, I want to find all the names. So I want to find all the names. Now there is a names here. There is a list of names. Naresh, Suresh, Rajesh, Kishore, and what is that? Raman. So I want to find all the names whose name starts with R. Whose name starts with what here? R. Means I'm searching this R pattern only at the beginning of the string, not anywhere. But actually search will search anywhere. Search will search what? Anywhere. But I want to search only at the beginning. So what I'm using, cap R. Cap R means every time you are reading one name. Now what is the first name from the names? Naresh. Is it Naresh is started with R? No. So match will be none or not? Yes. If match is not equal to none, you are printing that name. If the match is none, you are not printing that name. If match is none, you are not printing that name. If match is not equal to none, means if it is found, then only you are printing what? Name. But if it is not found, you are not printing that name. So is it name starts with the R here? Naresh. In Naresh, name is start with the R? No. In Suresh, name starts with the R? No. Rajesh, name starts with the R? Yes. So it will print Rajesh. In Kishore, name starts with the R? No. In Raman, R starts, name starts with R? Yes. So how many names it will display? 2 names. So that is Rajesh, and one more is what? Raman. So cap will search only at the beginning of the string. Cap will search only at the beginning of the string. Only at the beginning. Okay. Only at the beginning. Only at the beginning. Not anywhere. Now for that, you are using cap symbol. There is a cap symbol. Now this is one more here. This is one more example here. Now here, this is multi-line. This is in multiple lines. So Python is easy and Python is object oriented and Python is what? Multi-paradigm. So in multi-line mode, it should search every line starts with what? Py. Now I want in multi-line. So this is not multiple lines, right? So in multi-line modes here, me equal to re dot find all cap py. Means I want to find whether each string or each line starts with what? Py. If I don't write re dot multi-line, it will search only at the beginning of the string. But in multi-line mode, I want each line should start with what? Py. Then I use one rule here. What is the rule? Re dot multi-line. If I don't use that rule re dot multi-line, it will search only at the beginning, but not in every line of the string. But every line of the string, it should start with what? Py. Then I said re dot multi-line is a flag. Now you can see py, and what? Py. Is it match or not? Is it match or not? Yes. That is in multi-line mode. So that is in what here? Multi-line mode. Multi-line mode, it will search. Every line starts with that. So we'll see applications, but just try to understand what exactly this patterns are. What is dot, what is cap, okay, and repetitions, all these things. Just try to understand this repetitions, cap, and all the things, so that you can easily write the patterns. So there is a dollar is there. Dollar. Dollar means end. Cap means beginning. Dollar means end. Beginning of the string, cap, caret. End of the string, dollar. Beginning of the string is caret symbol or cap symbol. End of the string is what? Dollar symbol. Matches. Okay, matches at the end of the string are just before the new line at the end of the string. And in multi-line mode also matches before a new line. And multi-line mode also matches before a new line. So that is dollar, and there is a star here. Now this star indicates repetitions. What is the star indicates here? Repetition. Star is there. Now causes the resulting regular expression to match 0 or more repetitions of the preceding regular expression, as many repetitions as are possible. If you are writing AB star, A followed by how many B's? Okay, A followed by B star means number of B's. How many B's? 0 or more. I'm searching for the pattern where A followed by what? B. But how many B's? 0 or more. Star indicates what? 0 or more. It will search A. It will search A, B. It will search A, B, and B. It will search A, B, B, and B. How many B's? Infinite. But A must be followed by what? B. How many B's? 0 or more. Even A also find, because A followed by how many B's you said? 0 or more. Star means 0 or more characters. Now these repetitions are very much useful. Okay, suppose if I'm writing the pattern like this, I want the name should start with the R. Name should start with the R and followed by, I said dot. Dot means, what is dot here? Any character. How many repetitions? Any number of repetitions. And end with N dollar. I want to find all the names whose name starts with R, ends with what? N. But in between, how many characters? Dot means what? Character. How many characters? Any number of characters. 0 or more characters. Dot means what? Character. Star means what? Repetitions. How many repetitions? 0 or more. 0 or more. Okay, now 0 or more repetitions. So we'll see that. I mean, we'll see these patterns, like more patterns, but tomorrow we'll see, right? So today we'll just stop it here, and tomorrow we'll continue with this patterns, right? Thank you.